Welcome in Inspiring Minds. Interesting info for all of you. Interesting facts about Earth. Number 1. Position. Our home, Earth, is the third planet from the Sun, and the only world known to support an atmosphere with free oxygen, oceans of liquid water on the surface, and life. Earth is one of the 4 terrestrial planets, according to NASA. Like Mercury, Venus, and Mars, it is rocky at the surface. Number 2. Earth is squashed. Earth is not a perfect sphere. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA), as Earth spins, gravity points toward the center of our planet, and a centrifugal force pushes outward. But since this gravity-opposing force acts perpendicular to the axis of Earth, and Earth's axis is tilted, centrifugal force at the equator is not exactly opposed to gravity. Number 3. The planet has a west line. Gravity pushes extra masses of water and Earth into a bulge, or spare tire, around our planet. At the equator, the circumference of the globe is 24,901 miles 40,075 kilometers. According to Space.com. Bonus fact, at the equator, you would weigh less than if standing at one of the poles. Number 4. Earth is on the move. You may feel like you're standing still, but you're constantly moving fast. Depending on where you are on the globe, you could be spinning with the planet at just over 1,000 miles per hour. People on the equator move the fastest, while someone standing on the North or South Pole would be perfectly still. Imagine a basketball spinning on your finger. A random point on the ball's equator has farther to go in a single spin as a point near your finger. Thus, the point on the equator is moving faster. Number 5. The planet moves around the Sun. The planets orbit the Sun because of the Sun's gravitational force. Without the pull of the Sun's gravity, the planets would stop following their paths around the Sun. Although each planet orbits the Sun, most planets are also orbited by smaller objects. For example, Earth is orbited by the Moon. It's also moving around the Sun at 67,000 miles 107,826 kilometers per hour. Number 6. Earth is billions of years old. Researchers calculate the age of the Earth by dating both the oldest rocks on the planet and meteorites that have been discovered on Earth. Meteorites and Earth formed at the same time, when the solar system was forming. Their findings: Earth is about 4,540,000,000 years old. Number 7. The planet is recycled. The cycle isn't a perfect circle, but the basics work like this. Magma from deep in the Earth emerges and hardens into rock. That's the igneous part. Tectonic processes uplift that rock to the surface, where erosion shaves bits off. These tiny fragments get deposited and buried, and the pressure from above compacts them into sedimentary rocks, such as sandstone. If sedimentary rocks get buried even deeper, they cook into metamorphic rocks under lots of pressure and heat. Number 8. Our moon quakes. Earth's moon looks rather dead and inactive. But in fact, mooncakes, or earthquakes, on the moon, keep things just a bit shaken up. Quakes on the moon are less common and less intense than those that shake Earth. The total seismic energy released by the moon is about 80 times less than that released by Earth. Mooncakes also tend to occur at great depths, about midway between the lunar surface and its center. Number 9. The hottest spot is in Libya. The fiery award for Earth's hottest spot goes to El Azizia, Libya, where temperature records from weather stations reveal it hit 136 degrees Fahrenheit, 57.8 degrees Celsius, on Sept 13, 1922, according to NASA Earth Observatory. There have likely been hotter locations beyond the network of weather stations. Number 10. The coldest place is in Antarctica. It may come as no surprise that the coldest place on Earth can be found in Antarctica. but the chill factor is somewhat unbelievable. Winter temperatures there can drop below minus 100 degrees F minus 73 degrees C. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth came from Russia's Vostok station, where records show the air plunged to a bone-chilling minus 128.6 degrees F minus 89.2 degrees C on July 21, 1983. Number 11. The magnet pole creeps. Earth has a magnetic field because of the ocean of hot, liquid metal that sloshes around its solid iron core. Or that's what geophysicists are pretty certain is the cause. This flow of liquid creates electric currents, which, in turn, generate the magnetic field. Since the early 19th century, Earth's magnetic North Pole has been creeping northward by more than 600 miles 1,100 kilometers. Number 12. Earth once had 2 moons. Earth may once have had 2 moons, a teensy second moon, spanning about 750 miles 1,200 kilometers wide, may have orbited Earth before it catastrophically slammed into the other one. This titanic clash may explain why the two sides of the surviving lunar satellite are so different from each other, said scientists in the Aug. 4, 2011 issue of the journal Nature. Number 13. Rocks can walk. Rocks can walk on Earth, at least they do at the Pancake Flat Lake, called Racetrack Playa in Death Valley. There, a perfect storm can move rocks, sometimes weighing tens or hundreds of pounds. Most likely, ice-encrusted rocks get inundated by meltwater from the hills above the playa, according to NASA researchers. When everything's nice and slick, a stiff breeze kicks up and moves the rock. Number 14. Mariana Trench is the deepest spot. How low can you go? According to NOAA, the deepest point on the ocean floor is 36,200 feet, 11,033 meters below sea level in the Mariana Trench. The lowest point on Earth, not covered by ocean, is 8,382 feet, 2,555 meters below sea level, but good luck walking there. That spot is in the Bentley subglacial trench in Antarctica, buried under lots and lots of ice. Number 15. Lakes can explode. In Cameroon and on the border of Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of the Congo, there are 3 deadly lakes: Nyos, Mon, and Kivu. All 3 are crater lakes that sit above volcanic Earth. Magma below the surface releases carbon dioxide into the lakes, resulting in a deep carbon dioxide-rich layer right above the lake. That carbon dioxide can be released in an explosion, asphyxiating any passersby. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click bell icon.